What happened?
Hey! No cameras.
But wait, what happened? Who did it? What'd she do? What did she do?
I was with her. We were playing on the train track.
Did she mess up your house? She messed up your house?
Yes.
Sierra, why
Look
would
what
you
she
do that?
did. Look what she did. She ruined our house.
He
She
growled.
ruined our house.
If she messed up that house,
Okay, let's get started.
I like how you guys were like arguing about let's build a house together.
Why not?
Because you're a Jew.
Ooh, you're a Jap.
I said Jew.
A Jewy Jap.
An African Jew.
I said that he looked just like you. Do you look like an African Jew? He was like this. He was like this.
No,
No, no one does.
not
Yeah,
yeah,
windows.
people are gonna take it at you, and you're gonna have to deal with it.